All right, guys, I want to talk about something that you maybe never even thought of, never heard of, never considered. And that's how are you mixing up your antifreeze? What are you mixing it with? You can see here I got a whole bunch of jugs. These two are empty right now. I keep them marked at 1 gallon and ½ gallon just for mixing up. So I keep those ready to go all the time on the shelf. A buddy of mine brought this over to replace, we used up biggest part of mine last week when we worked on his tractor. So he got me the concentrate, and that's what I asked for. That's what I like. Now, anymore, I guess they want to sell you this ready-to-use stuff. Well, all they're doing is mixing their concentrate 50-50 with water and selling it back to you. So, you know, save yourself a little money and mix it up yourself. And if you mix it up, this is what most guys don't ever think of. This is distilled water. Now, I guess I was 16 or 17. I had to have a radiator worked on, and the guy at the repair shop asked me if I'd been mixing tap water when I was mixing up my antifreeze. I thought it was funny. I'd never heard of, you know, anything different. He said, do not mix tap water. Our area has such hard water with all the calcium and stuff. He said that over time that'll build up in your antifreeze and builds up in your radiator and causes problems. And I had never even considered that. And to this day, I don't know if I've ever heard anybody else talk about it. So, you know, try this yourselves. Maybe look into it. You know, it might be something you never considered yourself either. But if you do, you know, keep your 2 jugs and mark them to make it easier to mix. So put that half and half, and then top off with that to the 1 gallon mark. Then you'll have 2 gallons ready to go. You know, like I said, look into it. Might be something you never thought of either, never heard of either, but you know, it might save you some headaches in the long run, you know, in a car repair or something.